weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful since we've known.
This is when I walk into all three of the cats on my bed. Guys, we are having just a plain simple dinner tonight. I really don't feel like cooking nothing super big, but I have my characters up. I usually don't have them up right away, but it rained yesterday, and so there's water all over them, all over my inflatables. So I have them up airing out so all the water can run down off of them. But I will show you what we are having for dinner. I'm cooking some tater tots, and we are just simply having chicken nuggets. And here's another cute thing I want to show you guys. This says Falalala Mingo. It's just a little placemat, and then there's some cute decorations my mom got yesterday. You don't have to shovel sunshine. A narwhal season greetings, so that's super cute. Showed you the tree done, you guys. This is what it looks like. It's a super big tree. It's finished. It's decorated. My mom got this really super cute rocking horse. I wished it rocked back and forth, but it doesn't. But it lights up, and the presents came with it. And so now we have those and that. Currently wrapping presents. We have one more in that bag. You can tell, but my neighbors across the street here are blowing off fireworks. Hey everyone, happy Vlogmas day 14. Yesterday was kind of crazy. I filmed a little bit, which is probably the clip before this, of my neighbors blowing off fireworks. Sorry, I look horrible, like horrible, but today is Saturday, so I've already got gifts under the tree, you guys. Went shopping for mom and dad yesterday. So the last person I just have to get for is my little bro, and yeah. Well, and my cats, which I might just get them a little something, but, who knows. So, I don't know what I have planned today because everyone is out of the house. Mom's working, Blake's working, Dad's working. So, I legit don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm sorry, you guys. My dad pulled back in the driveway. He forgot something. But anyways, so oh, oops. But anyways, I need to do laundry. Laundry needs to be done, so I will probably make a whole like separate Vlogmas for that. I know that needs to be done and finished. What else? I need to clean the house. Just like vacuum, sweep, and like mop, because I haven't mopped the floors in like a while. So that really needs to be extremely done. And that's probably all I'm gonna do, and probably literally listen to like Christmas music while I clean and do stuff, or that, or I will watch Christmas movies on Netflix or on Hallmark. This is like a downpour. Hang on, let me go outside so you guys can see it. Look at this. Downpour. Why is my rain over there? It's very creepy. Downpour, y'all. Downpour.
Every day